Hello everyone, I am Minato, the Flash of the Leaf in the 4th Hokage, and today I'm reacting to another video called Chainsaw Man vs Dattebayo made by Kishin Pain. And this video is like a minute, so this is gonna be really quick, and I'm interested to see how this will go, so without any further ado, let's begin.
My dream is to become Dattebayo!
Oh.
I mean Hokage!
Ha! Your dream is stupid.
They got a voice actor now?
You're stupid.
How dare ya! Could your dream be better than mine? What do you want?
You know what? I want 2 big fat
Oh.
tits!
Ha! Jokes on you, say!
Okay.
I can turn into a nasty chick.
This headband again is really, oh, that's some big,
Give it to me.
interesting.
Give it to me now!
Don't get fooled. Don't get fooled! Naruto, why are you doing this? Why?
Hey!
What the?
You tried to abuse me! I'm gonna raise and cut your ass!
No, you can't!
That's,
That's
too
clear.
much.
You're freebooting!
Oh my god, it's Freezer!
What kind
Who's
of
that guy? What the What kind of forever? Okay. Anyways, that was the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please make sure to smash the like button with the Zingon and subscribe to the channel, because this is a channel where you will see a few contents from your Hokage himself, Minato. So consider subscribing and also turn on the notification bells to not miss any videos coming from this channel. Make sure to check the original video down below. So, with all this being said, see you all soon and peace out.